Once you install the lock on your door, you'll need to install TurboLock app, create an account, and log in. Use the keypad to enter the current admin password, then press pound. Next, press 2, then pound. In the app, tap the plus icon on the bottom bar, then select the type of lock you are pairing with. Once the lock is found, its information will appear on screen. When the option appears, tap Connect Lock to start pairing the lock and the phone. If you want to create in-app passcodes so your recipient can enter a code on your lock's keypad, you will have to reset keys within the app. Tap Reset Dynamic Password. Once complete, you will be able to generate codes within the app. To send an eKey, tap Send Key. Next, enter the recipient's email and phone number. Use the toggles to decide whether to send a permanent key or a time-sensitive key. If sending a time-sensitive key, use the fields on screen to specify the time you want the key to work for the recipient. To view or change user access, touch Manage Users. To generate a keypad password, immediately tap Send Key Password. Specify duration, then tap Send Password. To check records to see when your lock's been used, tap Password Records.